Welcome to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial videos. Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can add another Instagram account on your Instagram. So by adding another account in your Instagram, you're going to have multiple accounts. And just like in Facebook, you can switch from one account to another. In your Instagram as well, you guys can do that. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One to Step, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So in order to add another account in your Instagram, you need to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen. Once you click on your profile picture, it's going to bring you over here. Over here, you want to click on the three line at the top right. Once you click on the three line, it's going to show you all this option. From all this option, make sure you click on settings. Once you click on setting, it's going to take you to the setting page of Instagram. Now, once you're in the setting page, scroll a bit down and you can see the second last option called add account. You want to click on add account. And from over here, it's going to give you two options. Now, if you don't have an account, then you need to create an account. In that case, you need to click on create new account. But if you already have an account, you can click on log into existing account. So since I already have an account, I will click on log into existing account. And where it says phone number, email or username, I'm going to enter my email, but you can enter your username or anything you want. All right, but I'm going to enter, or like I'm going to log in into my account using my email, and I will enter the password of my account and click on login. Once I do that, I will be logged in into my Instagram account. Now, once I log in into my Instagram account, it's done. I have added multiple accounts on my Instagram. And how can I switch from one account to another? Well, it's pretty simple. First, you want to come into your profile in your Instagram. Once you come into your profile, at the top, it's going to show you your username. And right beside the username, you can see an arrow pointing down. Click on it, and the account which you just entered, it's going to show up over here. So you can just click on any one of them and you will switch between them just like this easily. As you guys can see, I just switched. That's how you guys can add another account on Instagram and switch between them. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel One Step. I will see you guys next time.